Be honest, did your 2025 vision board actually happen? Or is it currently sitting in the back of your closet collecting dust while you sit on the couch eating chips? Most people think a vision board is just an art project. They glue a picture of a Ferrari and a mansion, and then they wait for magic to happen. Spoiler alert, magic isn't coming. If you want 2026 to be the year your stick figure life actually changes, you need a strategy. Today, I'm showing you how to build a 2026 vision board that isn't just pretty pictures, it's a roadmap for your brain. Let's get the glue. Before we draw the dream, we have to draw the nightmare. Step 1 is the anti-vision. Ask yourself, if I change nothing in 2026, what does my life look like in December? Are you still broke? Are you still tired? Are you still stuck in that job you hate? Good. You should be scared. Pain is a better fuel than pleasure. Put a small picture of what you don't want in the corner of your board. Draw a big red X over it. This is your runaway motivation. Now, let's build the dream. Don't just paste random photos. Divide your board into 3 pillars. Pillar 1, the body. Don't just put a picture of a model. That's boring. Put a picture of action. Do you want to run a marathon? Put running shoes. Do you want to eat clean? Put a green smoothie. Pillar 2, the bank. Don't just put a pile of money. Money is just paper. What does the money buy? Visualize the security, not the cash. Pillar 3, the adventure. 2026 needs to be fun. Where are we going? Japan? Iceland? Or just learning how to salsa dance without tripping? Here is the secret sauce, the reason most boards fail. Your brain doesn't care about objects, it cares about feelings. If you put a car on your board, don't just pick a shiny car. Find a picture taken from the driver's seat. Why? Because when you look at it, your brain imagines your hands on the wheel. This is called first-person visualization. Don't look at the house from the outside. Look at the view from the living room. Don't look at the trophy. Look at the view from the podium. Trick your brain into thinking you are already there. So, here is your plan for the 2026 vision board. 1. The anti-vision. Know what you are running from. 2. The 3 pillars. Health, wealth, adventure. 3. The feeling. Use first-person pictures. It's time to stop doodling your life and start living it. I have a challenge for you. Go to Google Images right now and find the first picture for your board. Just one. If you're ready to crush 2026, smash that subscribe button like it owes you money. And tell me in the comments, what is the #1 thing going on your board this year? If you want to stop quitting every year and achieve your dreams, watch this video.